Hi everybody, so for today's video I'll be teaching you how to make a origami boat, and it's actually really easy. So let's get started. So first you have a piece of paper, and then you want to fold it this way and then get a nice crease. Fold it like this, like up to down, and then get a nice crease. And then once you do that, you would get a crease, and then you want to fold it like a square, so it can become a square like this. And then when you make it and it becomes a square, then you would get one flap like this. You would get like more than one, but you need to take one flap and pull that flap and always crease it until it gets here like this. This is how it's supposed to look like. And you have like this thing in the middle. And then you have a few flaps, like you should have like 3 flaps on the bottom. And then keep hitting like this, and then push it like this. And then now fold it like this. So it can be like a triangle. And it doesn't need to be perfect. And then now you would have this little pocket right here. Like a little nice cute pocket. And then now you need to pull the pocket like this, and then it's slowly gonna become a diamond, and then when you keep it like this, it's a diamond like this. So let me just repeat that step again, because one second, let me find a way how to. Well, oh yeah, you have a triangle, and then you like take the crease and push it so it can be a diamond. And then now you would get these little flaps on the bottom, and when you pull it, here's your boat. You're done. So like I did this once, so basically I made a boat and then I put it in water, and then it actually floated, so it's actually pretty cool. So this is how you make a simple origami boat. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And if you want, and then to get more notifications and not to miss out on my new videos, you can click the notification button. So thank you everybody so much.